Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'll be telling you guys how you can make a free Discord bot. I'll be telling you how you can keep it online 24/7. I'll be also telling you how you can start it, what you can do to start it, and what's it called there, how you can make the bot online, of course. So firstly, what you should do is you should go into the link in the description and then click on Windows install .msi. This will install node.js, which is essential for this tutorial to work. And then just to make sure that it actually works, go to your search bar after you installed it, search for node.js, launch it to see if it actually works. If it launches, then it means you have successfully installed it, of course. Then what I want you to do is go to the link in the description again and then install Visual Studio Code. This will be needed to make the bot and to enter code in it. So yeah, after installing it, what I you should do is you should see open it up. Then you should see this, of course, disappear, of course, and then what you should do now is go to your desktop, make a new folder for your bot, name it whatever you want. I'll name it custom what's it called, tutorial bot. I know I totally spelled that wrong, but whatever, I don't really care. Just after you make this, go back to Visual Studio Code. After you're done with that, open and then click on this open folder, go to your desktop and then click on the new folder you just made. After you get over here, you have done the things to make the folder and to open Visual Studio Code with it. Then what I want you to do is go to terminal, new terminal, select npm init, oh wait, and then enter this npm init. Then what you should do is you should get this package name, what your Discord name should be. You can change that if you want. For now, this is pretty good. Version is good. Description, I don't really need that description right now. Entry point, test command, here's which keywords author. You can enter in this your Discord username first, name first. And then after this, click on OK. It should make a package.js on, and then yeah. And then after you do this, then enter in this command, discord.js at 13. It should be npm I discord.js at 13. Click on enter, and then it should make another package in the node thing. There we go, installed. And then what you should do is click on this new file icon and then name this index.js, enter it and click on it. Just this if you want. And then what you should do is go back to link description, and then you should copy in this code and then paste it into it's called the index.js. And then what you need to change now is you need to enter your bot Discord token. So now what you should do is go back to the link in the description, and then you will get to this page. Click on get started, click on new application, and then tutorial bot. Then you can name whatever you want, like, and then click this. Confirm that you're a human, and then you should get to a new area. Of course, there we go. This, you can change your name, you can enter your description, your tags if you want, what for like the command you have. Then what you should do is you should go to the bot section and then enable all of these. This is essential. Then go back to the bot tool tab, click on the bot and administrator, and then copy this, go to a new tab, paste this in, and then it should open up your Discord if you have already opened it. And then it will ask to invite the bot to your server, authorize. There we go. Now the bot is here, and you can see the bot is actually joined. And then what I want you to do is close this tab if you want to. Then what you should do is go back to the bot tab, and then you should press reset token for the bot. So basically what this will do, if it already has a token, it will reset it, it'll make a new token for the bot. And please don't share this token with anybody. They can use this to get onto your bot's account and then start hacking it, raiding servers with it, and on the permissions of course, and then they can raid servers with it. So I wouldn't recommend, so I don't highly recommend sharing this token with anyone. It's like a secret password. So yeah, what you should do is you should reset the token, then copy it, and then paste it in here. Let me do that really quick. After you paste it in your token, press Ctrl and S, you save it. So now it's actually saved. And then what I want you to do is, go back into terminal and then enter in this command, npm install discord.js at latest. So if you're watching this from the future and the version is different, you can use this to install the latest version, of course. And press enter, then it should install the latest discord.js. If you're from the future, of course, and this won't work. So after this, go to the run tab and then click on start debugging, or you can press F5 and then select node.js. Then it should of course start the bot. Just wait a little bit and it should start. After you have done that, the bot should actually now come online, which as you can see, it is actually online right now. So of course my steps worked. And then what I want you to do is to press test. You use this command and the bot should reply with test command received. This means that the command was successful and the bot is now online. So what I want you to do now is to, if you want to keep it online 24/7, I'll be making a new video about that very soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Hope this tutorial actually helped you out to start your bot, and then you can make it new commands in, add new commands in, and like that, like a giveaway command, which every bot should have. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, it really help me out, and like this video as well. I had some fun making this thing and I hope I helped you out as well. See you guys in the next one.